No changes to the price of Fernhill Corporation stock on the last trading day, Monday, 7th March 2022. During the day the stock fluctuated 0% from a day low at $0.0114 to a day high of $0.0114. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.11% over the past 2 weeks. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -60.20% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $0.0019 and $0.0053 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Fernhill Corporation stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average at the same time. However, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $0.0142. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $0.0105. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, March 04th 2022, and so far it has fallen 0%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell on the last day without any changes to the price. This does not cause any direct divergence but may be an early warning and a possible turning point. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. Support, risk, stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.0100 and $0.0099. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Fernhill Corporation finds support just below today's level at $0.0100. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $0.0099 and $0.0090. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock during the last day. The stock moved $0 between high and low, or 0%. For the last week the stock has had a daily average volatility of 16.54%. Our recommended stop loss: we hold in negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Fernhill Corporation stock a buy? Fernhill Corporation holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a sell candidate. Current score, -3.099. Predicted opening price for Fernhill Corporation of Tuesday, March 8, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 8, 2022 $0.0114.